The weak spot of a man who ignores you. Listen carefully, because what you are about to hear is not just about him. It's about you, your value, your inner power, and what truly happens inside a man who tries to act like you don't matter. Let's begin. When a man ignores you, most people think his heart has gone cold, or he has stopped caring, or he has moved on. But the truth is much deeper, more complicated, and sometimes more emotional than anyone realizes. A man may ignore you with his actions, but the real story hides inside his weak spot, and that weak spot is not what you think. You see, a man's biggest weakness is not losing a woman who loves him. His biggest weakness is realizing her value too late, and being unable to get her back when she finally chooses herself. A man may ignore you for many reasons. Sometimes he is confused, not about you but about himself. Sometimes he feels things he cannot control, so he runs. Sometimes he is scared of how deeply you touch his soul. Sometimes he doesn't feel strong enough to give you what you deserve. And sometimes he thinks you will never leave. But here is his weak spot. A man can only ignore you until the day you stop waiting. You become his weakness when he finally understands that you weren't chasing him, you were offering connection. You weren't desperate, you were giving loyalty. You weren't possessive, you were protective. You weren't dramatic, you were honest with your feelings. He didn't lose a message on his phone. He lost a person who cared for his heart, his soul, his dreams, his fears. And that kind of loss is not easy to replace. A man can ignore your text, your calls, your presence, your affection, your efforts, but what he cannot ignore forever is the emptiness that appears. When someone with your heart, loyalty, purity, patience, and healing energy is no longer there, yes, he may act strong. Yes, he may pretend he doesn't care. Yes, he may stay silent like nothing happened. But silence is not always strength. Sometimes, silence is the only place where a man hides his feelings. The real weak spot of a man who ignores you is this. He expects you to stay even after being ignored. He expects your loyalty to wait. He expects your heart to stay open. He expects your feelings to remain available. He expects your love to never run dry. And the moment he realizes, your silence is not anger, but acceptance. Your distance is not punishment, but healing. Your absence is not revenge, but self-respect. It hits him. That is when he breaks inside. Because a man starts caring the day he fears you won't come back. His weak spot appears not when you cry, but when you finally stop trying. A man may be able to ignore your calls, your good morning messages, your love, your effort, your presence, but he cannot ignore your sudden emotional silence, your unexpected strength, your peaceful detachment, your glow without him, your happiness that no longer includes him. That is when his heart starts whispering, what if she never needed me as much as I thought? What if she deserved better and she finally realized it? What if someone else sees her worth and I lose her forever? That moment is his weak spot, because every man has a turning point, but not every man gets a second chance. So, if a man is ignoring you, remember, your worth does not decrease because someone cannot see it. Your love is not useless because someone is not prepared for it. Your heart is not wrong for feeling deeply. Your emotions are not a mistake. And you are not less valuable just because someone is silent. Sometimes God hides your value from a person until you discover it within yourself. And here is your final message. Never beg to be seen. Never fight to be chosen. Never sacrifice your peace to be noticed. The right person will not ignore you. They will protect, value, and choose you every single day. Until then, be strong, be silent, be wise, and become so emotionally powerful that being ignored does not break you, it elevates you. Hit that subscribe button and join us on a journey through the timeless wisdom of the older generation. Don't miss a single life-changing lesson.